Hello, my crafty friends. Well, today I have a very fun gift giving idea. We are going to create a very simple easel calendar. Hi, it's Lynn Dunn from Stamptastic Designs. Thanks so much for joining me today. In this episode of Stamptastic TV, we are going to look at how to create a pocket easel calendar. Now, there's a variety of different ways that you can create this, and this particular way I actually learned from one of my team members, Linda Anderson. She created this very simple and very fun little pocket easel calendar. So I'm going to share that with you today. So the first thing we're going to do is create the easel section. So to create this section, you need a piece of cardstock which measures 4 1/4 by 11 inches. And you simply score right down the center at 5 1/2 inches. So it's sort of like you're making a card. The next thing you need is a 4 by 4 inch piece of the same color cardstock as the base of the easel. So this is the piece we're going to create the little easel section with. So you're going to start by scoring at 2 inches. You're going to basically score it right in half at 2 inches. And then you're going to score a 1/2 inch in on each side. So basically we're just going to burnish this fold on the 2 inch side. And then we're going to fold these other pieces up and fold them kind of onto this part of the cardstock. So we're folding them up onto themselves. We'll just fold this up. And so this is what the cardstock should look like when you have added all the score lines and completed all the folds. So we are going to add some tape on this little 1/2 inch section on each side of this easel. So I like to use tear-in tape because it holds better, especially when you have a 3D project like this one. So you're just going to add some tape on each side. All right, and then once you have the tape added, we can just kind of fold this up again. And we're going to adhere this just one at a time. So we'll just peel this piece off. And you're gonna open up this base here, and you want to adhere it towards the bottom. So I don't wanna adhere it directly on the bottom. I just kind of leave a little bit of space around and below this little easel. So I'm just going to adhere that section. So you can see it's adhered on the inside here. And this piece is folded up. We're going to peel off the tape, and then we're just going to bring this part down on top of it. And so that's what creates your easel so that it stands up. And this is what it looks like from the side. So now that we have the easel created, we can go ahead and decorate the background. So I just cut a 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece of pattern paper. I'm just using one of the papers from the Frames and Flowers Designer Series paper pack, but you can use any pattern paper that you want. And I'm just going to adhere this directly to the front of this easel. So this will create the background for our calendar and for our pocket, which we're going to create next. Okay, so let's talk about how to create the pocket, which is where the Post-it notes will go and the pen. So you're going to start with a 5 1/2 by 4 1/2 inch piece of cardstock, and you're going to score down the 5 1/2 inch side. So this is the 5 1/2 inch side. You're going to score at 2 1/2 and 3 inches. So it's going to create a little 1/2 inch score line here, 2 score lines. And then you're just going to turn it, and you're going to score in a 1/2 inch on each side. So this is the 4 1/2 inch side. You just score a 1/2 inch here and a 1/2 inch there. So basically, this is what our little pocket is going to look like. So we have all these little score lines. I'm just going to fold on here so you can kind of see. This is what it looks like. But in order to create the pocket, we first need to cut some little flaps here. So you're just going to cut in to this first score line. So you're just going to cut in a 1/2 inch, and you're going to cut right on this score line here. And I like to just kind of angle it a little bit. So I make 2 cuts just so that I can angle this little piece. And so I'm gonna cut up this direction, and then I'm gonna angle in and just snip off a little piece here. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So these little flaps are basically just going to get tucked right inside this little box, so you won't see them. But angling these little cuts just makes it a little bit easier to assemble this little box. All right, so that is what the project looks like. What I want to do is I want to add some tear and tape to the back of this. So part of this box is going to get adhered directly to our easel, and then the other part is going to be the front of the box where we're going to add our calendar. Okay, so now we have this on the back. We know this is the back of our box. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some glue. I like to use liquid glue for this part. We're going to add some liquid glue here and some liquid glue on this back panel. So they are going to come together like that and then like that. So basically you're just adhering these two side flaps together and that little tiny flap. And then on this side, we're gonna do the same thing. I'll open this up a little bit more so you can see it. You're just gonna add some glue there. You can glue these one at a time if you want. So I'll show you one at a time this time. So you can adhere that flap, that little flap to here. And then this flap is the front. This is the front of the box. That's gonna come over this back panel here. So basically, I just want kind of the edge of this piece to be facing the back of the calendar. All right, and so that's what our little pocket looks like. So now we can bring back our easel section and we can add our pockets. So I'm just peeling off all of the backing for this double-sided tape. And now we're just going to lay this kind of towards the bottom. So I leave a little bit of pattern paper showing through on the bottom and a little bit on the sides. And then we'll just kind of smooth this down. So you can put your hand in there, or you can use a bone folder if that's easier, and just kind of get that tape to adhere to our easel. And so that's what our pocket looks like right now. So now we are going to add our little calendar. And so I got these calendars off of Amazon. You can really find them anywhere. So I'm just going to add this calendar. I already put some of the double-sided tape, that tear and tape, on the back of this calendar. This calendar has a nice little cardboard backing. And I'm just going to adhere this right to the bottom of this pocket, so that I can leave a little bit of color showing around the calendar. And then again, I just put my hand inside here and secure the calendar to the pocket. And so now you have a really fun little gift giving idea. And of course you can take your Post-it notes and coordinate them with the colors that are in your pattern paper and just tuck those inside and then add a little pen. And you just have a really fun little desk calendar. And it's very small, you know, it stands up on its own. And it's just really a fun way to show off your designer papers and give just a really unique handmade gift this holiday season. Okay, so there you go. Now you have a very easy pocket easel calendar that you can create with any supplies that you have on hand. And if you enjoyed these projects, feel free to download the printable tutorial. You can find the link in the description below this video. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it and sharing it with your friends. And leave me a comment below to let me know what you enjoyed most about the video and the projects shared here today. Have a fun and creative day, my friends. Take care.